Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Zoo token distribution is ongoing right now. Have you seen your token on this BITGET exchange? If you pre-deposit your own on BITGET exchange, rush right now and go and check if your own is now here on the BITGET. So you can see these updates. They say Zoo USDT opening soon. In less than 24 hours, Zoo Airdrop will be listed. So right here, I'm going to show you how to check your Zoo token. Click over to the assets. You have to navigate to the spot. Click on the spot or top here. Then you scroll down. Scroll down, you can see Zoo right here. This is my Zoo token, 48,107. Tomorrow being 25th at exactly 1 o'clock Nigeria time, Zoo will go live. I hope you will be there. My Zoo prediction is this: Zoo is going to list at the rate of 0.0002. That is my Zoo prediction. Tell me your own Zoo prediction on the comment section. So that is my Zoo prediction as we are waiting for them tomorrow to see what they have for us. And if you find this video helpful, please do it to like, share and subscribe, and also join my WhatsApp for more updates. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.